guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new set. This is the Foodie Box by Glamlite. This is one of their new holiday collections. Do you want to know what this is all about and what my thoughts are going to be? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I just received this Foodie Box. Well, actually, I received it last week. I did put a poll on my Instagram to see who wanted to see a review of it. And by my surprise, only one person said no. But this is happening because 99% of you guys said yes. So this is the packaging, and it's so cute how it comes. And this is, again, one of the new holiday collections. This entire set I got for $45, and it has a whole lot of goodies. I have opened it because I did use the palette. That's the look I have right now. But when you open it up, you see the little gingerbread house. It's very, very festive, especially for the holidays, and that's what it looks like down inside. So I'm gonna go over all of the products that are inside. I will try on the lip products for you too. I will do complete swatches of the palette, and I will show you how I created this look at the end if you are interested. So the first thing that is right on top is this brush set. I did show you it while I was doing my makeup so you could see them nice and clean because I did use these. But here is the collection. It says Glamlite Candy Cane Trio, and it's like an eye set. It looks like there's one shadow and two blending brushes, one bigger than the other, but when you open it up, because it doesn't say. So there are them still in the package, and they do have like the candy cane twisted handles, which is super cute. And they all say Glamlite, and that is what they look like. So this is the one I'm calling like a shadow brush, and then two different blending brushes, one bigger than the other. But I don't know, I could just be calling them that. That's what I'm calling them. So there is the brush set. So that's the first item out of this collection. Now we have is this right here, and this says Glamlite Cookies and Milk. The packaging is super, super cute. And I did see that this is a loose highlighter, and I did save a loose highlighter in another video here recently. So I definitely want to keep this nice and sealed, and it'll go to one of you guys. But if you wanted to see, it has that kind of like color to it. It's a loose pigment highlighter, and it says Glamlite Cookies and Milk, and that is the color. And then it has the seal right on top. So you would remove the seal and then you would use it, and you have a loose highlighter. But again, I'm gonna save it for one of you guys, but that is super cute. That the packaging is just adorable. Like everything that they have that I've seen with their packaging is just super cute. And thanks again, Tracy. I'm blaming you because you got me that other palette for my birthday that I did the review for. And then when I was getting the information from that, for that video, I saw that this was coming out. So I had to get that. And then now I got a text message saying that they just had a new chocolate bar one drop. And the theme looks so cool. It looks like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory with the golden ticket and everything. So I had to purchase that one as well for $45 for like the whole chocolate donut type, and I'm really excited about that because I definitely want to get my hands on like browns and neutral colors. But yeah, so now I have a nice bright donut. I'll have the chocolate donut, and then I have the pie palette. So I think that's cool because there's a different variety and they're all different color tones. So I like that. So moving right along to what's in this box. I know, talk. The first one right here says, this is Glamlite Pecan Pie. And again, look at the packaging. Look at a big old pecan piece of pie slice right there. Makes me want some pecan pie. And I'll try again all of these on for you guys as well. So when you open it up, it looks like this. Okay, so this one doesn't have the mirror. The other one, actually it does because it's opened. The box broke. So this one has the mirror, so I can show you the two different ways. So this one's just like a round tube. That looks like a very, very pretty color though. And again, this is pecan pie. I don't know how they get pecan pie because this looks like a mauve. That would never remind me of a pecan pie, but this will definitely go with the look that I have on. So let's put this on. Ooh, it smells good. That's one thing, their products that I've used so far, they smell so delicious. So you can't really see it because it's more of like a lip gloss with a little bit of color to it. So it just kind of gives it a little bit of color. I like that. And it smells scrumptious. Heavenly. It smells really good. There you go. A nice, pretty mauve mauvish, pinkish color. I like that. Again, pecan pie. I honestly thought it was gonna be more of the brown tones, being a pecan pie, but I'm so glad that it's the color that it is. So the next one is, again, the one that has the broken box. So let me show you what it would have looked like all intact, if I can kind of get it back together. And it's Red Velvet lipstick. So this one is going to be a lipstick. And I will try it on in a little bit for you. I'll wait and drop it in. But here is that. So it says Glamlite, and then this one has the large mirror, and I really, really like that. Red Velvet. Red Velvet, that's right. There you go. You guys keep saying that the last few videos that I've been trying on red lipstick, you guys say it looks good on me. So thank you. I am very, very not in my comfort zone. Very well out of my comfort zone, I should say. When I have any lip products on, especially a bold, bright color, that is definitely a red, and it's not gonna go good with the look that I have on. So I'll just drop in what that looks like. That is more of like an orangey red. Oh, I already took it off. Yeah, see? So that's what the red looks like. I'm back to this one. Let's keep going with what's in the box, you guys. And then we have, oh, there's another one. That's right. Here's Eggnog. It was underneath, so I didn't see it. So this is a lip gloss, and this is Eggnog. And that's what it looks like. Oh, okay. So see, I was thinking it was going to be like a clear or almost like a whitish color for the Eggnog because of the colors on here. No, it looks like it's a light pink. Right there. So let me just show you this one really quick. It's almost like a peachy. So yeah, it did have some colorage, even though it didn't really look like it because it's more, that is the freaking second one that I have dropped. You see, it's telling me, bitch, you don't put these on. What are you doing? That's what's happening. So that is a very, very nude color. Very, very light pink. And it smells like coconut. And so, but I never would have thought, would you guys have thought Eggnog was gonna be that color coming out of this package? I thought it was going to be like a light, a cream, a vanilla color, but nope. That's pink. Okay, so there's the 3 lip products that came in this set. And then here is a set of lashes. It says gingerbread lash. I don't do anything with lashes, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just hang on to these. But there is a set of lashes. And then the star of the show, the eyeshadow palette, you guys. Look at how it comes. It literally comes in, it looks like a pie box. Like, this is straight dessert. It's super, super cute. It was completely wrapped with plastic, but I did have to remove it to try it on for you guys right now. And then the back does go over the colors. So let's get this gorgeous thing out. And I like the metallic, like glitter color on the inside for the pie filling. Oop, I don't need the whole damn thing. I just need the palette. Thank you. Okay, so there is the actual package, you guys. Again, it looks like a pie. It does have a mirror on the top that says pie, and then when you remove the plastic, here is all of the colors inside. And I will swatch them for you guys so you will see them on my skin, all of the different colors, but that is the palette in its entirety. And this one right here says that it's a blush. It says Cherry Pie Blush, but I don't use blush, so I went ahead and just used it as like my base color. That's how I have so much pink everywhere. It's because I started with that color. Yep, I did. So there's that. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. Okay, so when I started this one, I went with this one and I went clockwise. Looking at it this way versus that is different. So I started from the top and I went clockwise and then ended with the blush. So here is all of the different colors. And again, it starts here and it goes all the way down to this pink. Now I know on my last my last review with the donut, the brighter colors. With the brighter colors, I felt like I had to go in more times because of the pigment, which was okay because then you can build up the intensity level that you would like. With this palette, I felt like it was pretty much there. I didn't have to go in several times with the swatches. The swatches, almost all of these, but like one of the glimmery, like shimmery, one of the shimmer shadows, I went in twice, only because it was a lighter color and I wanted to see it better. But all of the other ones, I literally just in the pan and like that. So I didn't have to go in 3 or 4 times like the last one. So I do want to point that out, that I feel like this one, the pigment is there. It's a little bit more like, hi, I'm definitely here, than before it was like, okay, I'm coming kind of thing. So I do want to point that out, that I felt like the pigment is a lot stronger or more standout worthy. I don't know, but I noticed that. So again, here is all of the different swatches, and those are the lip products. So that is everything that came in this set, you guys. Again, we have the super cute pie palette. We have a loose highlighter. We have a gingerbread lash. We have a 3-piece eye brush set. And then we have 3 different lip products. So that is everything, you guys. I definitely like this one. I think the colors are more like of a wearable any time of the day. So I'm super glad that now I have a bright colored palette. I have this kind of pinky, purplishy palette, which is good for fall or summer, I would say. And then I'm gonna have the chocolate one coming, which would be more of the brown. So I'm so excited, and I'm really pleased with the 3 palettes that I will end up having, because it'll give me a different color variation with their shadows. So you guys, comment down below, let me know, did you see this set? Do you want to get the set? Have you purchased any of the sets from them? I think the packaging on everything that I've seen so far is just simply adorable. I am actually loving the packaging, and they're actually pretty affordable, especially for this whole entire set for only $45. That's awesome. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off by using this palette. I am going to use the brushes, so I'm gonna show you these now because in the video they're already going to be used. Well, the first part of the video, they'll already be used. So let me go ahead and just show you what the brushes will look like, and I'm gonna try to use them in this video. I'm very like creature of habit, and I only use like 3 or 4 brushes, even though I have like tons of them even right here, and I have bigger sets like in my room, in my vanity area. I literally only grab very few, maybe 4 total. And so I'm gonna go ahead and use these. We're gonna see how this works. So here is the 3 set. It's an eye set of brushes, and they look like candy canes. And that's what they look like. So I'm gonna try these, the shadow and the little blending brushes. Now, I didn't bring my MAC Vanilla. I normally do that if a palette does not have a very light to almost like a white color inside to set like what I call my base. And I don't feel like going and getting it. So I'm just solely gonna use the colors that are in this glorious palette. So I'm gonna first say that I am nowhere near a makeup artist whatsoever. I'm just showing you how I am comfortable with doing my own makeup on my normal day-to-day ventures. And if you wanted to see how it looks and how it blends on skin, that's why I do my try-ons. But I'm definitely not telling you how to do your makeup. And yes, I do tug at my eyes. I have to, because if not, I'll get these little tiger stripes that I call it, these little lines, and I have to blend them out. So you definitely probably have a completely different eye. The stretchiness, the spacing, everybody is different. So I'm only showing you how I do my own makeup. And it's really sad that I feel like I even have to say that, because I get critiqued a lot on how I do it. But you guys, I'm only doing what's comfortable for me. Makeup is an art. That's it. There's no right or wrong way. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the lightest color to, I guess, set my base. But the lightest color is this one that's called Pumpkin, which looks like a peachish color, and I'm not trying to go peachy. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Cherry Pie. Oh, that's a blush. I don't use blush, but I'm gonna use it as an eyeshadow. So Cherry Pie blush is what I'm going to use on the top. Let me grab a little bit of peach, speaking of peach, to put as a shimmer. And that's peach. It literally is like a peachy goldish color. That's really pretty. I might actually put that on my lower lid. Sometimes I forget this step. Sometimes I remember when I'm doing my first layer, like today, so. And I do kind of use my whole little area here. I mean, I'm given this big old space here, so I tend to try to utilize it. Oh, and I used the wrong brush. See, creature of habit, I tell ya. So I didn't use the shadow brush, but I mean, I have to, right? So I'm gonna add a little bit more down in the midsection. Oops, my bad. Okay. So now I'm gonna try to use the bigger blending brush to kind of go in with a sweet potato. I'm so nervous using brushes that I'm not comfortable with, but I'm using this set, right? And every time I bust out this mirror, I always get comments asking me where I got my mirror. This is the Little Mermaid mirror, and I got it now, like 2 years ago, because it wasn't this Christmas, and I don't think it was last, it might have been last Christmas, but it was 1 to 2 Christmases ago, and I purchased it from hottopic.com. And after the first time I used it, I had it on my, you know, here for a video. Somebody had asked me where I got it from, so I went to go to Hot Topic so I can grab the link to send them a link. Instead of just saying, oh, I got it at Hot Topic, I wanted to send them the direct link, and I could not find it anywhere. So apparently they had sold out and they stopped selling them. So I don't know if you can find them, like if anybody is just selling them on like Amazon or eBay or anything like that, but it is a Little Mermaid handheld mirror. Hand mirror. Oh, very pinky. Let me go ahead and try to use the smaller blending brush and deepen up with using Mud Pie. I definitely don't care for these brushes as much as the other ones that I use, but at least now I have them in my collection if I so choose to use them. But it came with this set, and the whole entire set was really cheap, so I'm not gonna complain. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with that peach color for my lower lid. Okay, so then I'm gonna use a different brush because I need the small little guy with Mud Pie, and I'm just gonna go and deepen up my little corner right here. I honestly do not care what gets our hair because I just use a little tissue and brush it off and I'm good to go. Okay, so now for eyeliner and mascara. Okay guys, so that is the quick look that I came up with. Literally, I have not even been filming 11 minutes. So that's quick and easy, using new brushes that I'm not comfortable with, a new palette that I'm not comfortable with, and just applying it on quick and easy for you guys so you can kind of just see how it blends. And then I will let you guys know in a little bit how it wears throughout the day. But there you go, there's the look. So again, you guys, comment down below. Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.